Unbelievable facts about mantis shrimp. Supervision. Mantis shrimp have the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. With 16 types of color receptors, humans have only 3. Speedy strike. They can unleash a punch at the speed of a .22 caliber bullet, creating a cavitation bubble that reaches temperatures close to the sun's surface. Rainbow warriors. Mantis shrimp communicate using fluorescent signals, creating a vibrant display of colors that humans can't even see. Super stompers. Some species have powerful club-like appendages that can strike prey with the force of a .22 caliber bullet. Trinocular vision. Each eye is divided into 3 parts, allowing them to gauge depth and distance more effectively than most animals. Breaking barriers. Mantis shrimp can crack open snail shells and crab exoskeletons with their powerful claws. Shell shockers. They are known to attack and eat prey that is usually considered too tough, including crabs with hard shells. Tetradecapodpteras. There are about 450 species of mantis shrimp, divided into 2 main groups, smashers and spearers. Solar-powered. Some species have a unique ability to convert sunlight into energy using their exoskeletons. Master architects. Mantis shrimp are skilled builders, creating complex and sturdy burrows in the ocean floor using their powerful limbs.